Alright, so we're in the garage today because my bike has just about 58 hours on it, and I've noticed it's been getting really hard to start, so we went ahead and picked up a new piston ring, even though gaskets as well, but you know, a piston ring, so hopefully that does the trick and helps it. Well, either way, it needs it because it's got like 58 hours. And in the manual, see, it says piston and piston ring. You go over R, and the R stands for replace. And you go up 7.5 hours. So that's for like a race schedule, but still, it's got like 57.7. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna hook up this compression tester here, which just screws into where the spark plug goes, and then you kick the Kickstarter. We're gonna test the compression with the current ring, and then replace the ring, and then test it to see how bad it is. So yeah, stay tuned. So we got the compression tester all hooked up. I'll go ahead and kick it.
Stop, and we are at 116 pounds.
Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and break down the bike pretty much. Like, take all the plastics off, gas tank, subframe, just get down to basically just the motor. But probably do that tomorrow morning because it's kind of late. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get started on that. And yeah. Alright, so we got it down to basically frame. Well, not basically, but we got to this stage. And I just thought of a little hack. Put a rubber glove over the intake side of the carb, because it's kind of elasticy and it keeps stuff out. So, welcome back to Gray's Bike Hacks. I don't know. But yeah. So we got it all broken down, and probably tomorrow morning I'll come back and mess with that thing. So, should be fun. Alright, so it's the next day now, and we're going to start breaking it down even more. So we're going to take the exhaust off, drain the antifreeze, and then, yeah, probably just open it up. So, should be fun. we just got the radiator hoses all disconnected. So we're gonna start with the exhaust valve housing, I guess. Take that off and go from there. Alright, so we had to take the exhaust flange off and then this radiator and connecting hose and just to clear up and make some space. So now it should come right off. Alright, so we got the piston here, and as you can see there is a little bit of carbon buildup on the top. So we're gonna try putting like a glove over it, put a glove over it and cut a hole in it and stretch it around the studs. I don't know, but yeah. So then we can try to clean that off and not get stuff down in there. Then we can go ahead and take the ring off, put the new one on, and put it all back together. Alright, we got the ring on. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the face gasket on. Alright, so we got it all buttoned up. We got the cylinder head, exhaust valve cover. We got that all on and torqued down. So, yeah, we're gonna have to put the radiator back on, connect all those hoses, put these brackets back on, and then put the bike back together. So, we're getting closer. Alright, we got the exhaust, we got the radiators on, so now probably the gas tank, subframe, and then I'll put the seat, shrouds, and then we'll have to do some heat cycles. Alright, so the bike is back together, so we're going to go outside, even though there's kind of snow on the ground. We're going to go outside and do a couple heat cycles. A lot of people recommend that you actually ride it, but it's snowy and muddy, so we're just going to warm it up, and then when we go out to ride it next time, just ease into it, I guess. So yeah. Alright, so we got the heat cycles done. We're gonna bring it back into the garage now that it's, cooled down. And then we're gonna hook up the compression tester and see what it says now with the new ring. Alright, so we just did the compression test. We did it twice. Both times it came up just over 125. And when we did it with the old ring, we got like 116 or 120. So I guess 58 hours wasn't that bad, but it was a brand new cylinder and all new stuff. So doing some more garage videos, and while we were doing that, we noticed we have a leak coming out of the bottom of the water pump. That little hole there. So we think there's a seal in there that's not sealing. And then the kickstart kind of got some oil. So one of these days we're gonna have to open that up and replace those seals. Just some more bike work to keep this thing running. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.